If you have a summer waves pool, this is a video you're gonna wanna watch, because these pools don't last forever. 5, 6 years, I got about 6 years into this pool. Not only does the liner fade through time and chemicals, but a lot of your beams will start to deteriorate and rot. And this isn't good, and that's why I'm replacing it. So if you find yourself in this same situation, here are a few tips to help you prepare for your next pool. First thing you want to do is you want to put a hose in your pool and drain the water out. Cut all the way along the base of your pool like this. Just underneath this part here. All the way around your pool. Similar to this, where the whole thing is opened up. You can take the whole pool So the reason why I did this is I'm going to be putting the same size pool and brand in this area, and I'm going to leave this base here so no rocks, weeds, or debris get underneath there. And I got a nice base so I can just pull this off when I go to do my new install on my pool. You may not be able to do this all yourself, so get a couple friends or some neighbors to help you out. Alright guys, since I'm installing the same pool, I am going to keep some of this equipment, like the feet that aren't broke or cracked, the posts that are still good, the corners that are not rotted out. Yo, look, be a subscriber, check out the rest of my channel.